If you're someone like me who works with a ton of data, right? Whether you're a video editor, an audio editor, VFX, graphics works, or photos, or just any large files in general, right? It can be tough to manage all of those things. However, there's a tool out there for Macs. It's a free tool called literally FreeFileSync. And this has been a game changer in my life for a number of reasons. Number one, oftentimes I'll have like a master set of hard drives that I'm working with for whatever projects, and has multiple projects as well because it has lots and lots of storage. But then, I back it up regularly, let's say once or every 2 weeks, onto another hard drive, right? So beyond just like my cloud backup and stuff like that, I also have another set of hard drives with that data. Now, the difficulty in the past has been to figure out, okay, how has this been updated, right? There might have been some files that, initially when I backed them up were, mislabeled and stuff like that, just kind of in their raw form and stuff like that. And so a lot of times in the past, what I'd had to do was, just delete large chunks and then had to kind of drag the files over and then essentially just recopy hundreds of gigs worth of data. With FreeFileSync, that becomes a lot easier because you can essentially give it instructions to, take what's changed and just copy over the changes, right? And so it'll get rid of stuff that it isn't in the direct path, right? So you have a lot more flexibility. Also, this is a wonderful tool for like traveling, right? I have these wonderful travel hard drives that I often copy the new stuff to. And then when I'm out and about, traveling, I'm using that portable hard drive to have and work on all the stuff. So it creates new data. And so when I come back, now it allows me to take that and update it with my at-home hard drives, right? So it's a great way to sort of keep things back and forth and keep things synchronized, and have that redundancy that I need, and not have to like do it manually, let's say. Now, here's what it all sort of looks like. So here's FreeFileSync, and the nice part is you can essentially assign it as many tasks as you want. So let's say I want to make sure that my, portable hard drive has, all the stuff that I need in terms of all the coaching clients that I work with, let's say. So I'll go ahead and select the destinations of both. And, there's all kinds of, essentially settings that you can explore. You can do a two-way update, you can mirror one, you can update one. So however you want to do it, there's all these various tools and options. And again, you can do master root folders, or you can do specific folders like I'm doing and stuff like that. So it really does give you flexibility, and then I can synchronize it accordingly, and off to the races it goes, right? And so here it kind of has like, what's all the differentiation. So it's synchronizing everything that it needs to do, right? And also, I haven't gotten into this, but you can also utilize it to create cloud storage as well, and do it that way, and be able to access files, remotely as needed, anytime. Now, that's something that I have yet to get into, but I just kind of wanted to highlight this because, until recently, I actually didn't know about this, and now that I do, it really is truly a game changer for me and my workflow. So I'm very grateful for that, and hopefully you can download it, explore it, and utilize it for your own benefit, and share your experiences with it, and for what and how you're using it, and let's really kind of build upon that and help each other.